In this video, I'll show you how to delete calendar virus events on iPhone and iPad. Firstly, open the calendar app, then tap the calendars at the bottom of the screen. Look for any suspicious calendar, often bright colors like red or purple. Tap the info icon next to the suspicious calendar, then scroll down and tap unsubscribe. Confirm with unsubscribe and report junk. Next, open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Calendar. Tap Accounts, then select Subscribed Calendars. Tap on the suspicious calendar and then click on Delete Account. Once these steps are completed, your iPhone should be free from spammy calendar invites. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.